Well, I made it. I have about 2 hours, and normally I'm pretty in and out when I go places. However, this place needs a lot of time and attention. It's seriously awesome. Brace yourself. I've already kind of come to a lot of the prices will be close. However, they always have such unique items. I am super excited. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4th stop of the day, and definitely my final. I'm trying to get out of the woods before it gets too dark. I'm somewhere outside Altoona. So let's go in and see what they got. I haven't been here since the summertime. I've decided to kind of bypass the aisles of cases and get right into it. If I have time at the end, I will go back and look at the locked cases, but oh my gosh, I'm excited. Oh, funny little monkey bank. Oh my gosh, it's so packed in here. I love it. First off, I see a lot of left-in, more common. Gosh, it's also well priced though. The Santa Squeak toy at $8.50, and it squeaks. This is definitely one of the better selling ones, and it's been a while since I've grabbed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my basket. I'm gonna do a little lap just to make sure I'm not missing any hidden gems in here. I do kind of like this mug. Is this left in too? It is. It's probably like 70s left in. $4. I don't really do the holly berry print that much. Find it's more common, though it's really priced right. How cute is that little potato chips bag? Oh my gosh. It's like all the things that like the pinup girl playing cards. Wow, look at all this stuff. This place is like kitsch heaven, I tell you. So far, all the things I'm interested in are pretty close to what I'd get for them after fees. Oh my gosh, look at the cat planter. That is adorable too. Holly berry, that one's new. Oh, what's this guy? He's kind of funny. But again, a little close. $6. The fish is adorable, but I've had it a few times recently, and I kind of already know I'm going to get a little out of hand here. Now, I've already kind of bashed stockings, but I kind of feel like this one qualifies as kitsch enough. However, at $24, there's definitely no room in that for me. All right, the Noel Carol set with the lenticular eyes is fantastic. Unfortunately, it's $45. My last set sold for $35, so I'm definitely not going to mess with that. You know I have a soft spot for the Hong Kong faux florals. I see a random Mary Mushroom jar in here. $25.50 though. Can't do that. Of course, I see the Cottage Cheese Jars back there. I had a full set that sold for about $40 not that long ago. This Santa blow mold's quite fantastic. Oh, here's another one of those Santa Squeak toys. That one's $15.50. I got a really good deal on mine. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, $45 for this set is super reasonable, actually. It's really hard to find chalkware set. Oh my gosh. Lucite flowers. Lucite flowers, hello. Lucite candles. But they're priced about retail, and I love this little snowman. Oh, fuzzy ceramic. $12 though. That's about retail, or what I'd get for that after fees, I should say. And of course, I love all the happy face stuff. These are quite pretty though. They're not usually my thing. See a Cupid planter hiding in here. $30. So much to take in. A lot of planters that like the Royal Copley. But it's all more common stuff, and I'm really trying to hold out for harder to find items. This almost looks like Napco or new, I'm not sure. Definitely newer. Oh, look at this guy. $12.50. He's got some paint loss, but it's 50% off. That is adorable. At $6.25. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw that into my basket. I haven't committed to either things yet because I already know I'm gonna get out of hand at some point during this trip. I'm already, oh, wait. It's a colored one. Okay, so I've talked about these before, but I've never actually found one when I'm filming. The ones that are colorized like this, the rubber deer, are really hard to find. At $10, I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick this up. I can't remember what the last one I sold was, but it was upwards of $30. I was trying to get in this booth. There was a lot of people kind of hogging around. Oh my gosh, those are so cute, even though they're new. And the Homeco, this Santa Light's kind of fun. $35 though, that's about retail. Oh, pink elephant. That is too cute. It's missing its stopper, but that's easily replaceable. But for $10, I'm gonna put him back. I've had a few of those items recently. Look at all the cute little plastic mice. And then I think this is, yeah, that's an older one, the little angel planter. How much is it? As is though. Oh, yep, it's got a broken flower. We're gonna leave that. Now I remember I looked at these head vases last time, the wall pockets. I think they're fantastic. However, they both have cracks, unfortunately. They are made by Relco, and they're kind of hard to find. What a fantastic candlelight. That is really fun. $28. That is fair for retail especially, but I'm not shipping that. Look at this Santa. He's probably pricey, I feel like. 14 actually. That's not bad at all. Definitely some money to be made. Oh, he's got a broken leg. I swear they turned the music up when they saw me coming. Oh, speaking of deer, how much are you? 25. Dang. I was gonna say, this one usually sells for about 31. I'm not gonna bite the bullet at only making $1 or $2 profit. What about this Christmas bulb? This is quite spectacular. $6. That is too cute. I normally don't do ornaments like this, but I kind of want to grab it. I'm actually just seeing it's got a huge dent in it, so I'm gonna put it back. But there's more. Oh man, this place is gonna wear me out. This tree stand is quite phenomenal. I love the print on that. And these are really a pretty shade, but they have a chip and they're a little pricey for me. Another little blow mold decor. It's got a little damage. Oh my gosh, there's so much to appreciate here. Cute little ornaments. I don't do the ones with the stickers on it. Ooh, little flocked snowman. How much is this one? This one's $5, but it's got some damage. If it didn't have that damage, I would probably get it. Snowmen sell pretty well. Oh, I love the half doll. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks German almost, that Bambi. Rare wooden doll, 95, 135, 95. Very confusing. Either way, not for me. What in the world? Oh, what do we have here? April with the little bunny, unfortunately at $18 and a little nick on the nose. There's nothing I can do with that. Now, whereas I am bypassing a lot of the cases, I am doing a kind of once over to make sure I'm not missing anything too obvious in them. But this, oh my gosh. Okay, let's go straight to what I'm seeing. I can't even acknowledge all that happening right now because this is happening. This is an incredibly hard set to find. Even at $17, I'm grabbing it. A bunch of cute little poodle figurines here. $10, 38. What is this? That's fantastic. $7. I kind of want that. I think that could still make a couple bucks. It's super unique. And Poodle in the vanity is too cute not to. A lot of fun Christmas ornaments. I love that Hobbyist Snowman. But this is what really caught my attention. Now, I already know I'm not going to get it because it's on cardboard and styrofoam, but I just had to show it off. A lot of little tree toppers and knickknacks, very cute, but this one has the most appeal to me. I've never seen this one before. $11. That is too cute. And it says it works. So I did pull her out of the box, and she's got a little too much condition issues. She looks like she might fall apart at some point, so I'm gonna put her back even though she's adorable. Look at all the fun popcorns. A lot to appreciate here. I like this Hobbyist one, but this Santa, $13. That's really not a bad price. Oh, it's been a while since I had him. He's harder to find. There's just so much going on here. It's kind of hard to focus. This little left-in angel, $13. There's still room in that, but not enough to get me super excited. But oh my gosh, look at you. He's got a great facial expression. Now, the pose angels down here. Oh my gosh, it's one of the ones that says Noel on the butt. That's so cute. But 15 is a little too close. Those are kind of fun, kind of remind me of Pippi Longstocking. And that one I've passed up a few times already this season. It kind of freaks me out. Oh, look at this little snowman doodad. $4. He's so cute. I kind of feel weird leaving him. Oh my goodness grief. That's a nice deal. Little Santa bank. I just had this set. I'm trying to switch it up just a little bit at least. A lot of flocked Santas. It's freaking so cheap, but it's gonna add up quick. Just trying to be super careful. I really like these candle holders. Oh my gosh, and they're made in Japan. $10. There's a couple bucks room left in that. Let me circle back. I can already tell there's another booth. Oh my gosh, Christmas cards, Christmas cards. I'm actually crazy right now. Look at these little glittery ones in the original packaging. $10. That's pretty close to what I get for those after fees. What about going on in here? This is kind of fun. $13, and the Hobbyist Snowman. Oh, I wish this wasn't broken. I found a cat one like this the other day. More Christmas doodads. Don't worry, I'm gonna come back to this booth. I just can't stop looking at that. And these little ornaments are only $5 each. They're so cute. Oh, but there's more on this side too. What's this figurine? $5. Why, what's wrong with him? He's kind of spectacular. He's got a little bit of paint loss. Oh my gosh, and even though I don't like this bisque material usually, I really like this angel. New Year's one. And then here's that set that sells really well in plastic. What? $8? That's super cheap. Oh my gosh, I just want to pick everything up. I'm gonna regroup.